quiz. Electronic devices are taking over humans. Studies have shown that students' grades are going down when students spend more hours on electronics. Students also spend more time inside than outside and might not being able to consume the minimum amount of vitamin D per day. Questions were names, how long do you spend on electronics per day, how long do you spend on physical activities per day, and do you think you use too much electronics?
For our survey, we asked Risa, Yoshi, Joseph, Saloni, Koki, Akiko, Kalea, Hayden, Senen, Kai, Eba, Wenyu, Leon, and Simone. In total, 14 people. Our first question was, how many hours do you spend on electronics per day? Their choices were 0 to 1, 1 to 3, or 4 plus. 0 to 1, Senen, Leon. 1 to 3, Kalea, Kim, Hayden, Koki, Kai, Yoshi, Saloni, Joseph, and Wenyu, Eba. 4 plus, Akiko and Risa.
Set S meant small amount, set M meant medium amount, and set L meant large amount. In a Venn diagram, it will look something like this. The intersections are null sets because you can't choose both 1 to 3 and 4 to 8. Our second question was, how many hours do you spend on physical activities per day? Their choices were 0 to 1, 1 to 3, or 4 to 8. 0 to 1, Kim, Risa, Yoshi, Joseph, Saloni, Koki, Simon. 1 to 3, Akiko, Kalea, Senen, Kai, Wenyu, Eba, Leon, and none for 4 to 8. In a Venn diagram, it would look something like this. Again, the intersections are null and L is null. Our third question was, do you think you use too much electronics? Yes, Koki, Joseph, Wenyu, Kalea, Simon, Risa, Yoshi. No, Leon, Saloni, Eba, Kai. People who said 1 to 3 hours and who said they don't spend that much electronics were Eba, Saloni, and Kai. 3 hours is an eighth of a day, and both Andre and I think they should know that they are spending too much time on electronics per day. To conclude, we suggest that students spend less time on electronics by creating a schedule to control online activity. This will help the students get higher grades in all subjects. This was brought to you by Andre and Theo.